You don't mind if you prune us. When we get pruned, there's more airflow. Tree branches, when they are too close together, foster disease, pest infestation, and other unpleasant events. You have your own version of this in your human world. If you don't regularly prune things back, then you create the situation for problems to develop. Often nature with windstorms, ice, or other factors will push the pruning of the areas that were never pruned on their own. For you, isn't it much more pleasant to prune yourself with an intention when you decide to do it? By contrast, you can wait for the inevitable. Would you prefer to wait for nature, the world around you, to prune you when a storm of your life hits? Reflect on it, because that dead wood or crowded wood is weighing you down. As we grow, we are constantly creating and building in alignment with and yet away from gravity, the laws of physics. When a tree falls, the power and the weight of that impact is a result of the sustained potential that was built over years and upheld in that tree. The tree didn't feel the weight of gravity pulling it down. The tree didn't feel the weight of gravity pulling down on it on any given day. But on the day the tree falls, gravity pulls the tree down effortlessly. All of the accumulated growing and building actions of the tree pull that tree down to the ground with a force and an impact. Are you afraid of death? Because you do not have to worry. Your Creator will bring you down like a falling tree, and you will crash to the ground at the end of your existence in physical form when your time is done. There is nothing you can do to prevent that time from coming, or to prevent the fact that everything that is you will change form. However, remember, the tree does not disappear from the woods and disintegrate into nothingness simply because it falls to the ground. The fallen dead tree does not disappear in an instant. The dead tree separates into mushrooms, beetles, grubs, squirrels, numerous other microorganisms, and other creatures you've never seen. The tree melts back into the forest and becomes one with it. 1,000 cells and molecules are dispersed like fireflies throughout the forest. You are building every day of your life, your legacy, your being, and your impact. The tree does not stand every day wondering if this is the storm that will take it out, or if it can continue to hold up its branches against the weight of gravity pulling it down. How can you tap into the confidence of the tree growing against gravity? Where within you is the confidence that every moment of your life, one more cell is added to your being, one more element of energy added to your existence? Pruning practice. Prune the dead wood or crowded wood from your life. This wood may be literal physical objects, obligations, or simply mind clutter. Allow yourself 15 to 30 minutes to reflect on what you're ready to clear away. If it's most effective for you to clear dead wood as you reflect on anything else that you need to clear away, wonderful. Proceed with that method. If you prefer to reflect on which areas of your life you need more air and space, reflect and decide when and how you will take action. When pruning actual trees, it is safe to prune up to 30% of the branches without causing permanent damage to the tree. Use 30% as a guide for yourself. Do not go over that threshold in order to feel the positive effects of the pruning and to avoid the shock of undertaking too much change too fast. New cells. No matter what age you are, you have new baby cells. Until you cease to be alive, your body will produce new cells, your heart will feel new emotions, and your mind will think new thoughts. Journal or meditate on the way in which you will allow newness and fresh beginnings into your life.